Welcome. If you've ever blocked someone on Telegram and decided it's time to give them another chance, this quick guide will walk you through how to unblock them in just a few taps. Whether it's a friend, family member, or someone you accidentally blocked, the process is simple and can be done in less than a minute. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and on the home screen where your chats are listed. Once you're there, look to the bottom or side menu and tap on Settings. This is where you can find all your account options, including privacy controls and blocked contacts. Next, tap Privacy and Security. This section helps you manage who can see your information, who can contact you, and which users you've blocked in the past. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Blocked Users, then tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of everyone you've blocked on Telegram. Take a moment to find the person you want to unblock. When you see their name, tap on it. You'll be taken to their profile page, where you'll find the option Unblock User. Go ahead and tap that. Once you do, Telegram will instantly remove them from your blocked list, and they'll be able to send you messages again. That's it, you've successfully unblocked someone on Telegram. It's that easy. You don't need to reinstall the app or send any special requests. Just a few taps, and communication is restored. If you ever change your mind, the same steps work in reverse. You can go back to your settings, head to Privacy and Security, and block or unblock users whenever you want. So the next time you need to manage your blocked list, remember these simple steps. Open Telegram, go to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, select Blocked Users, choose the person, and hit Unblock User.